How you guys doing? It's Black Limited X here with another video for you guys, and today is going to be another short and sweet one, but it will be a fun one. This mod, I think this is something that you'll be able to do whether you have a Jeep, Charger, Challenger, Camaro, Ford, whatever it is, you'll be able to do this mod. It'll make your vehicle stand out that much more. Let's go ahead and check it out. So what's going on, you guys? We are back again with another video for you guys. As you can see, we got the Black Limited X here in the back looking dirty as ever. We will get her washed soon, I promise you guys, but it's just the winter. It's been cold, that snow, the salt. It's just been a dirty winter, as it always is. So I mean, what do you expect? But onto the video. Today we're going to be doing something pretty fun for you guys. Go ahead and get it opened up. Today we're going to be installing window decals. The one that I have in particular is going to be one promoting my Instagram, but it also encompasses my YouTube as well as my Twitter. Let's go ahead and grab it. Take it out the package. These are just instructions. Now, hopefully you guys can see that, but it just says Black Limited X with the Instagram logo next to it. But like I said, this is my name across the board. This is my Twitter handle, YouTube channel, Instagram, whatever. This is everything. So you'll be able to find me if you're looking for me with that name. But yeah, this is sweet. I was actually able to customize this. So I got this off Amazon. I was able to customize it really well. I can do the font, the color, how big it was, you name it, you were able to do it. And it was actually fairly cheap. It was like $7 or $8, honestly, but I will leave a link in the description for this so you guys can check it out. But the only other thing you got in the package were just the instructions, basically just telling you how to install it properly, things of that nature. The only thing you're gonna really need for this install, if you haven't had your vehicle cleaned already, because you want to have a clean and dry surface. Thankfully it's not raining or snowing at the moment, so we don't have to worry about that. It is cold as hell, but I mean, it's the winter time, dummy. But what I suggest you using if you don't have a dedicated window cleaner, which I do, I just had this sitting, so I just grabbed this. This is just a little substitute that you can use to clean your window. Is just some isopropyl alcohol. Now they do recommend, if you're going to use alcohol, and so do I, but we're just worried about a specific area. But if you're going to use this as a window cleaner, I would mix it with water to dilute it, because this is a very strong cleaner. But like I said, we're just worried about this one little section, so we're going to get it cleaned off and go ahead and wipe it off and get it prepped. Now, as a little tidbit, if you want, it's not absolutely necessary or needed, but if you have a squeegee, this will help you apply it as well. I mean, you can just use your hand pressure, but a squeegee, you can take it, run along with it when we put it on there. So I'll show you guys. Also, too, because this is double-sided, you know, driver and passenger, cut it in half. You know, you don't want to install it with the one piece still on there, so keep that in mind. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take the white backing off first. It is very sticky, so be careful when you guys are taking that backing off. You want to make sure you get it lined up where you want it. Make sure it's straight. Put it on there. You take your squeegee, apply that pressure, just go along it like that. Make sure it's sticking really well. And then once you've done that, you come over here, take this backing off, peel it very slowly, because if you go to peel it and the letter comes up, you're gonna have to put it back over it and apply more pressure again. So again, you slowly take it off. I would come at an angle like that. Take your time, you don't need to rush, because you want to do it right. You don't want it to be messed up. You don't want to repeat the process. Trust me. And voila, there you go. It is on there, black limited X. Let me go ahead and get close enough for you guys to see. And that absolutely looks good. It is bright, big letters, so you can see it when people are driving past you. If they want to check your Instagram out, they'll go ahead and be able to do that. All right, so that's that side. Now we're gonna go ahead and move over to the other side. Alcohol. Make sure it's on there well. Yeah, that feels good. Feels nice. Let's go ahead and move to the other side. All right, so you guys, there it is. It is done. It looks good. Let's go ahead and get close and check that out for you guys. As you can see, it came out very nicely. And like I said, this is going to be something that you guys are able to do on your own. It took me maybe all of 10 minutes to do, but it's something that looks good. It's fun. People are going to see it on the highway, and they'll be able to check out your Instagram, Twitter handle, whatever the case may be. I will leave a link down in the description for you guys to go ahead and check it out. Like I said, I got it off Amazon. It was fairly cheap, so that'll be something good for you guys to grab. But with that being said, if this is your first time checking out my videos, I want to say thank you and welcome to the channel. You guys are much appreciated. I always look forward to having new people on the channel checking my videos out, so thank you guys. And for those of you who've been watching my videos from day one, I want to say thank you. You guys are much appreciated as well. So with that, I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you.